Hi, Uday.
By the way, I have to ask you a question.
Yeah, tell me, what is it?
Does your mother go to work?
Actually, she goes to work. I don't like it because I want to stay with her. I want to spend time with her.
And Dimash, does your mother go to work?
My mother goes to work and I like it very much because I can spend lots of time on reading.
Okay. So, all of you get it. Does my mother go to work? Now, Vyasya is there. And does she go to work? I will decide it after this great debate.
Let me introduce you the proposing team. Proposing team members is Vyasana and the members are Ravi, Bhushan, Pratibha and Pujini Ravi.
Okay, now I will introduce you the opposing team members. Yumira Chandu, leader of the opposing team. Romain Satru, Numi Minoja, Nekari Visara, Nipun Subhash.
So the topic is, should mothers go to work or not? Let's watch this exciting debate and get a conclusion.
Sometimes she might have not got beautiful clothes to wear before her, and sometimes she might have not eaten fresh foods, tasty foods, and sometimes she might have not taken enough rest for her without caring about her health. But still, she thinks about the tomorrow of her kids. She still thinks about the future of her kids. It's true that she does the job, manages all the things, maintains all the things, all the household activities from the day it starts up to the day it ends. But still, once she goes to the bed to close up her eye, she always worries about the tomorrow of her kids. She always tries to become a helping hand for husband in terms of money to run the family in a smooth way. So that's the nature of a great mom. So, good evening everybody, dear impartial board of judges, my opposite team members, dear parents and my dear brothers and sisters who are working moms. And what are the advantages gained by the family and the kids of working moms due to their jobs, occupations, and should always and today me and my team members are here to prove the fact that women should be allowed to work. So let me explain you who are working moms. Working moms are the ones who move out of the house for the purpose of earning money. And the trend of being a housewife today is now changing with the need and the change of the time. And today, every single woman in the world prefers to work as they have the capability to balance both the work and the family. And today, it's very rare to see a girl who prefers to stay at home maintaining all the household activities and students and children's activities as well, instead of going to work. So it's advantageous. There are a lot more advantages for kids and the family by being a working mom. So let me explain you them one by one. The children of working moms receive much more love from their moms and they become smart and active. Why is that? Because of their mom is not at all at their houses. The children behind them learn their responsibilities and manage to do all their tasks by themselves or without depending on others. So therefore, they become independent, smart, active to face any life challenge in their lives. And they become so confident to live in this 21st century too. And as you all know, not only me but also we all realize that living in the 21st century is not an easy thing as we talk, as we tell or as we imagine. Living in this 21st century and earning money is not the thing that we can gain as fruits grow on trees. So a mental or physical effort have to be gifted on that. So most of the mothers in the world doesn't know whether to go to work or not. But when the poverty comes at the door, they find that they must work because they have to provide for their family. And the main thing to be considered is that the financial help that gains the family. And another thing to be considered is that if mother is highly educated and employed in a high-profile job, then her sense of expectations will not let her live at her home peacefully. So therefore, her sense of dissatisfaction will in this 21st century, women should go to work. Thank you.
Every mothers want to keep the children happy, but working mothers tend to forget the most important thing we should provide to children, which is love. My dear honorable judges, my teachers, and beloved parents, let me give some time to start my way like some interesting way. We all know that many singer songwriters mention that love is like the ocean. But the thing is, working mothers have only 11 hours to keep their children's attention. But just imagine that, how would a working mother give such a huge ocean like that love in that 11 hours? Is that possible? And never. And at present, this is a global pandemic situation. These type of situations will come tomorrow. In these situations, many working mothers have been mentioned that I don't know how to stay at home. Is that the reason? Do you know the reason? Because they are not at home and they are not with their children. Can we satisfy that statement? No. And also the leader of proposing team mentioned that she is not eating food or she is go to work without a rest. That's why we are saying that mothers should stay at home. There is no purpose of they are working, because the main objective of working mothers is earning money. Think that they lay up half of their money to child care services and transportation. So I'm asking from you all that, is that possible? Think that the child who can't speak, but his mother mentioned that his love speaks higher than whoever. That's the mother's love and affection. Mother's love we can't buy from money. But working mothers' main objective is working money to make the family economy in a high level. And I am again and again telling that is not the thing we should do. Mothers should stay at home because due to many reasons. The best example in Sri Lanka that is happened near to our area, which is this one. Brave mother jumps to the well to discuss Robinson. Think that if there is not mother not at home, this 4 years old child fell into the well. But servant, imagine that the mother is in the but servant at home and looking after children. Is that servant jumps to that well and saves that child? But mother's love and affection is a great thing which can give their life to their children. That this mother gives his 2 legs to save that child, and that's the mother's love and affection. So I'm telling that mother should not go to work because children become alone. Thank you.
Every person is believed to have a comfortable lifestyle, and for living in a comfortable lifestyle, only father's income is enough. I totally disagree with that point, because the children must go to school and must have education in a high level. The first point I would like to talk about is education. In education, the small kids is going to school and also preschool and school. When going to school, the money is spent in like nothing, and about 10,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees are spending for their schools. Oppositely, when plus mentioning that we can send our kids for government schools. Actually, in my point of view, the student or the children prefer an international education the teaching style is in high level, and also the facilities on that schools are very high. And the second thing is about tuition classes. When the children are when they are weak at a subject, the children ask their parents, "Can I go to the tuition class? Can I go to this tuition class?" And if they are weaker on more than 2 or 3 subjects, they ask their parents, "Can I go to that tuition class?" Parents can't tell, "No, you can't go." They think that if the family have 2 or more kids, and the average monthly fee of tuition class is 1,500 to 2,000, then how father manage the fees paying for tuition classes with his salary? And the last thing I would like to mention is spending a comfortable lifestyle. Spending a comfortable lifestyle is first thing we must have is our education. Without education, we have no job, we have no money, we have no food, we will be homeless. And also, if we have the rural income from our mom, we will have a good job and money, and also we will not be homeless, and we will have transport methods like a car. Car is the main thing that families willing to have. And the leader of the opposing team is mentioned that why do they earn money? Actually, in order to provide a good life condition to her children is the answer. More and more income means children receive more and more facilities and education for their life. So finally, I will try to state that mother should go to work.
First of all, I would like to mention that one of our proposing team members mentioned that we told that our children should go to government schools, but we didn't mention earlier that point. And point is, father's economy is low, but when mother is going for work, mother is spending a lot of money to transports and childcare centers and many things. So, you do know, friends, Germany is a very big country and highest population, and Germany has the highest population also, but their economy is very low. Why is that? Because of the 98% of mothers are going for work. That's why the economy is low. So, if you think about like this, then there's a family, small family, but not rich. It's a poor family. So, mother, father, and a child. If father is going for work and mother is also going for work, in that case, how does the child look after by parents? And there's a saying that mother's love, there is no such thing that bigger than mother's love. When in that time period, how does she give that love for that child? So when there's another saying, and there's research also, when the child is a small one, his brain was also very small, so his brain can change time to time. So if that brain can change 1 minute or sometimes maybe 1 second also, when it changes to good thing, it is not bad, but it is changes to the bad thing, sometimes using drugs, then they are addicted to drugs, so they can't overcome from it. So in that case, mother should stay at home. According to the FDR report in 2016, there is a suicide case in Pakistan known as Amaila Noor. Do you know what the reason? The reason is Amaila Noor is a teenager. Her mother was working mother. So mother going to work at 6 o'clock and again coming back to home at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So in that time period, that teenager Amaila Noor does not have time to talk with that mother. So if she don't talk with her mother, mother was blaming all the time because there's a big stress that gaining from that working of mothers. So in that case, she thinks that she does not want to stay in this world and she thought that she does not belong to this world. Why is that? Mother should stay at home. And thank you.
As it is 21st century, it is necessary to have a dual income under a share. Why I feel like this? Let me explain. You know that in Sri Lanka, the cost of living is skyrocketing. How could we live without a dual income? And also think that future diseases and unexpected accidents, how would we manage it with only by the father's income? You know that the father average income of the family member or the one person in Sri Lanka is 60,000, and you know that in private for better protection and a better service we must go for private institute on medical because the government facilities are not very much good in the appearance and also from the work. And I would have said that just imagine that the father, he is only working and earns only about 60,000 rupees per month. And suddenly he get unexpected loss or he becomes a bankrupt. The mother saved money is very essential in that situation. If only mothers go to work, she can save money. And also, you know that before 7 years ago, Sri Lanka was a developing country. At present also, it is same as before. Do you want to make it same for the future also? You know that Japan, America are already developed countries. Do you know why they are already developed countries? Because they offer equal human rights for both females and males. And each and every person in those countries trying to work on any institution and make some money for their well-being. And also, I would like to say that you know that every father is not doing the activities for the well-being of their family because there are some wasteful fathers like going for casino. I know that you have seen that when you go to Colombo or any other city, look at those casinos. Are there many luxury cars and sport cars? No, there are many rusted bicycles, and most of them are just surviving their life from a daily income of 1,000 rupees. And after they earn that money, they used to go to casino and waste their money. Then how would they live without those things? And the family, how would they survive their lives? You know that if their mother have a job and salary, they can survive their life. Don't care about that wasteful father. And also, I want to mention that also because of this reason, we can say that working mothers are not working mother is worthless. Most importantly, I want to state that being a working mother is not bad for their children. It is always stand for good reason, for the betterment of their life and for the betterment of their families. And at last, in a nutshell, I would like to state that mothers should go to work because it is very needed to have dual income in the country of Sri Lanka. Thank you.
Mother's love is peace, peace, peace. It need not be animals, it need not be simple. If it's there, right, it's blessed. If it's not there, it is as if all the good had gone out of our lives. Parents are the first station for children. The opposite member, all home from his school one day with a letter from the station. The letter was, "Your son is adult. Your son is adult. We will not allow him to attend our institutions any longer." Her mother's eyes blurred with tears and as she read it letter. But with her mother's instinct, she thought that she never stopped. She never stopped. And she started the excellent houseboy routing for his son. And Edison's left it from his school and without the second thought. So Thomas Alva Edison was an average child. Because of his heroic mother, he became one of the greatest scientific inventor of the century. You are blessed to be able to be witness of all your child first. Your first children, first births, first meals, first rolling over, everything, pretty much everything. You have a good chance to have some priceless experiences. Thank you. 70 years ago, Sri Lanka was a developing country. Now, Sri Lanka is a developing country. In the future, Sri Lanka will be a developing country. So, would you like to see Sri Lanka is a developing country? No, it must be a developed country. So, therefore, women's contribution towards the development of the country is needed. So according to chart issued by World Bank, there are many developed countries such as Australia, Canada, Italy, and America. The Finland is the country where the most happiest living. It was over 70%. And in 1990, it was 60%. Now it has been increased into 80. Now it has increased into 80%. In 2008, women's employment in Sri Lanka was 36.27. Now it has increased into 44.5%. So my opposing team members, before starting to put forward my point, first of all I'd like to ask a question from you. Who do you think are great, man or the women? In my point of view, there is nothing like that. In ancient time period, women were confined into 4 walls. They expected to do all the household activities and to look after their children. Of course, they can do many things that women can do, many things that men can do. In that case, they contribute towards the development of the country is increased day by day. So, should they just be at home looking after their children and washing husband's clothes? No, never. Living condition of the people depend on their economic level. According to that present day society, the job opportunities have been created through the development of the technological field. So there are many jobs that women can engage in, such as doctors, engineers, teachers, president in parliament. According to the statement made by Grant Commission, the women's population is girls' population is increased to enter the universities are girls. 60% of them are girls. So my opposing team members mentioned that the monthly income of the average person is. I'd like to mention that the monthly income of the average person is 60,000 in Sri Lanka. So what can you done by this? So we can pay the school fees, tuition classes fees, and we can electricity bill, water bill, so telephone bill. Then after all these things, the 60,000 is waste. So what I am trying to say is, the mother should go to work. Then only we can contribute towards the development of the country.
Hello, Chanu. Yeah, I'm lazy today.
Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and other things. Janu, my mommy's coming, I think. Bye. Yeah, she's coming. Bye, Janu. Okay. Do you think should mother goes to work? No, mother should not go to work. As I get that example, she told her friend, her world is social media. Do children use social media? No, children don't use social media. As well as she told her friend, and parents want to give advice to children that it is not suitable to children. That's why children don't use social media. As well as when her mother is come home, she don't use phone because she is afraid of her mother and afraid of her mother. That's why if mother stay at home, she don't do that mistake again. Nowadays, most of the children are addicted to drugs. As well, most of the children are addicted to drugs. But the mother gives advices to the children, don't do those things. The children don't do that mistake again. So now nowadays, this society is rich of abusers. A few days ago, a child in a Nigambu boy is get abused. At present, boys too getting abused. Then how about the girls? It can't imagine. And the member of proposing peace mentioned that 21st century women must go to work. As you say, yeah, they have economic problems. But to fulfill economic problems, they can do a business at home. It means like a dressmaking and other things. And women are strong. They can do lots of things as well as another member told that there is a right. It means that equally men and women are equal. But parents are also duty to protect children. As well as do children want tuition class? And another member told that children want tuition classes. In the country, we receive free education. So what for tuition classes? We can learn in school as well as. And again, now also do you think tuition classes wrong? And again you think mother should go to work? No. Mother should not go to work. So thank you.
People will assume I can't have a child with a job, but my energy level is high. I would like to say that these words are uttered by a great woman who is named as Susan Wojcicki, who is the CEO of the YouTube company. And it shows that a woman has the capability of both doing the household activities, and she can carry his professional life to her best level. And I can remember that one member of the opposing team mentioned that Thomas Alva Edison became a scientist because of his mother. And do you all know that Thomas Alva Edison's mother teach him at home? So I would like to ask, if she teach him at home, she must be educated. So it means she have somewhat knowledge about the professional level, maybe
but it's the partial truth. In hilly areas, called Nuerelia areas, some children get abused, but not only from other participants, but it's from their own relations. So I would like to ask, will a mother think that her own husband or her own brother will do sexual harassment to her own child? No. No. So in this case, there's no any fault in mother's job. It's the fault of their mind. It's the fault of their family condition, family environment. And one of the members mentioned that Amaila Noor in Pakistan, she is a teenager, right? So she can understand somewhat things. So she doesn't need much more help from mother to understand. She must understand it by herself. There's no need of mother for teenage. She is not in grade 4 or 5. And the other thing, did we talk only about money? No. We talk about the education received by the children. And just think, when the mother is absent at the home, children not become poor and helpless. They try to become independent. Mothers also become independent. Then your mother will not ask for money from your father, and child will learn to do his own activities alone. And also, you all are making your mother a slave of household work. Just think. This outer world, it's half different. They are so cruel. So if we give much more love to our children, they will just like timid at home. Just give them time to understand themselves. So mother should go to work, and the mother also become independent, and the children also become independent, and she will receive a good status in the society. So I would like to ask, don't you like to be a son or a daughter of a mother who has a good name in the society? So in conclusion, you and me can understand that mother should go to work. Thank you.
Do you like if your mother go to work? I think you would say yes, because you can make your own decisions and you can make what you want at home. But who knows the things that you are doing are correct or wrong? The most of the correct decisions that are taking from yours are wrong because of nothing, because of the non-teach of your mother. And when mothers go to work, children should stay home along with. Then at that time they are different thoughts are coming to their mind. They would be positive or negative. But when mother is also not at home, most of them are negative. And these days there is a big problem that children addicted to drugs. Because of what? If there is also no mother at home, how will they get rid of drugs and all? Then if there is no one to prevent them, when they use drugs further more and more, it will affect further their future health. And you think that in these days the most risky pandemic is COVID-19. Do you know how it affects for a working mother? When working mother go to workplace, if there is anyone who is an infected of COVID-19, she would affect from COVID-19, and she would go home, and it will affect for the family members too. And do you like to get a risk of your family members? Everyone don't. But don't take this as a misunderstanding. There are many preventive methods for COVID-19, but we are not perfect persons. We have many mistakes, and if any one mistake can affect the virus. And one member of the emerging group mentioned that mother is going to entertain us and to develop our economic level. Then she is thinking about. Do you think about their entertainment at all? No. And the one member of the opposition team mentioned that dual income is necessary to economic level. Then do you think a little bit, when both two are going to work, then how it costs for transport and pay transport and many other things. One member of the opposition mentioned that in the 21st century mothers are doing work. Then another member of the opposition mentioned that this is a still developing country because of not mothers working. And what sentence can we believe? And the one member of the opposing member told that about Amara Noor. She can manage his own teenage things. But is she gets suicide if mother is at home and at the little age, if mother is at home and teach them how to live in the society? And I would like to state that when mothers go to work and mothers have to manage the homework and the office work, it makes too tiredness. Finally, I would like to state that mothers should not go to work. Thank you.
If I asked you, what's your dream job? Then you might say, I'd like to be a teacher, I'd like to be a doctor, I'd like to be an engineer, I'll definitely be an astronaut. But will anyone say, I'd like to be a housewife? I'd like to be a housewife maintaining all the household activities from the day it starts up to the day it ends? Would anyone say? No. Why? Because everyone have objectives. Everyone has got clear ambitions in their lives. So, as us, our mothers also had that little age. But today, they are confined to 4 walls. They have no freedom. So, they have opened the doors to the world in various fields. So, today, wherever we see, wherever we have got, women are the most. In this class also the same. Women are the most. Girls are the most. If girls have such objectives, then would you like to scatter them in order to care for your children? Then we should remember that if mother can rather work by making alternate arrangements for the care of their children, then that should be also equally valid as well. And another point we consider, the members, almost all the members of the opposing team expressed that mother has no time to care for her children, and she has no time to love and have a fun with their family. That's totally wrong, my dear friends. Because there are 24 hours in the day, and the least number of working hours is 8 hours, and the maximum is 12 hours. And there are 12 remaining hours. So mother can balance. So she goes to work most probably as she can balance both the work and the family. And I just request you to ask any stay-at-home mom and whether she can manage all the things in a day. But if you ask just like that, all the stay-at-home moms will say that I have no enough time to maintain all the household activities and the children's activities as well. And another member explained that corona infections. So I'd like to express here that we have a government. So before the infection, the government took correct steps, and they gave us correct decisions, and we had not at that dangerous time. So we have the present government is too helpful for us in that case. And so another point we consider is that all the members of the opposing team mentioned that mother loves children. That's why they go to work, because they have to provide education, a good education for their children. So that's why they go to work. And drug addiction. They mentioned about drug addiction. That's not a problem with the mother. Of course, when you see about the drug addiction problems, it's a common problem of the coastal side of the country, mainly Nigamu and all. So in that area, the most people are uneducated. So to get rid of that condition only, mothers go to work and supply and get an income and supply a good education for their children. So more and more income means more and more facilities she eats? Just think about that. Then will she be able to manage all the activities of the children properly? Never think about it. Therefore, finally, I must stress the fact that mother should be allowed to work because that will affect towards the national development as well as the making of the family a great condition. Thank you.
Children are not distraction from more important work, they are the most important work. This was said by a good and who got a very experience on his life, journalist being John Train. But thing is, our proposing team members show like in a picture that we also can show this picture to you all. That is, this is from a picture which taken from a workstation. Go to the reality of this picture. This is what is the thing happening in the workstation for working mothers. There are many files. Mother's brain get upset. And also, many of our proposing team members mentioned that there are more time for working mothers. I think you are wrong at your calculations because from many institutions of researching institutions has been mentioned that only 11 hours for working mother has for their children. And also very common fact that has been mentioned from our proposing team is Sri Lanka has been reported like a developing country. But they also mentioning this way as there are more percentage of women. But what is the point of more percentage of women? And most of our proposing team members mentioned like this way. Most of our workers are working mothers. But the fact is, from 7 years ago, Sri Lanka was a developing country. But 27th century also, Sri Lanka is a developing country. So I would like to ask you, what is your point? And also many of our, I think almost our proposing members mentioned is about the economy. I would like to ask that in everything there is a two sides, advantage and disadvantage. I would like to ask that economy is only the advantage of working mothers, and also another member of our proposing team member told like this way. In area of Nuwara has been reported like children abuse, but it has been done by his own relation. And also I would like to ask that nowadays our own relations are also not trusted. Then how would working mothers keep their children to the child care centers? Is that possible, or is that a good point? I think. And also our proposing team member mentioned that about drug addiction is not should responsible by the mother. But I would like to say like a strong argument that drug addiction is happen because of working mothers, and I would like to mention is mothers should not go to work.